Understanding and managing your child's cough. A cough is a common symptom, especially in children. While most coughs are harmless, it's important to know when to seek medical attention. Common causes of a cough in children. Common cold often accompanied by runny nose and congestion. Flu, asthma, seasonal allergies. When to seek medical attention. Persistent high fever, difficulty breathing, severe cough, cough that lasts for more than a week. Prioritize your child's health. Consult a pediatrician for personalized advice.